I've seen a lot of people asking this question, and that is, how can I set up a free trial in LifterLMS for my courses? And so I wanted to make a quick video to address a few different options you have for creating a free trial. So the first option is to have the free lesson feature. So in any LifterLMS course, on any lessons, you can go into the settings right here in the builder and select free lesson. And what that means is that anyone with the link to the lesson can view the lesson. So it's just free for the public. It's going to be indexed by Google. It can be seen by search engines and all that stuff. So if I go to an incognito window here, I'm just going to be able to log right in, or not log in, I could just see the lesson as I just set it to a free lesson. Whereas if I tried to go maybe to lesson 2, that's not a free lesson. It's going to go ahead and send me to the course page to go ahead and buy the course. There we go. So you have to enroll in the course. But with the free lesson feature, I can easily access it. So that's one way to do a free trial. If you wanted to collect the email when doing a free trial, one way to do that with LifterLMS out of the box is to have a free mini course. So instead of having your full course and having a few lessons free, you would maybe just have a course that's just 2 lessons, 2 or 3 lessons. And then the last lesson in that course might be go ahead and enroll in the course, or it might, if you wanted to fill out the whole syllabus like this so that it has the whole nice syllabus on the sidebar with the whole course outline, so you can incentivize students as, if they want to enroll in the course, you can clone your course and then delete all the content out of these lessons if you wanted to, so they can see the titles of the lessons, but then if they go into the lesson, maybe you could redirect them over to your buy now page or something like that. That would be a way to collect that email and have them enroll and then see everything on the side of your website, but they only have access to the free trial that's going to include just a couple of lessons. If you want to do it that way with the free mini course, that's a second way to do it. And the third way would be to have a free trial on a subscription course. So if your access plan is maybe like $100 a month or something like that, you can set that up on the access plan system. So on any course or membership, if we scroll down to this access plans area, we can see I have an access plan on this course. It's free right now, but let me go ahead and make it paid. So for my example, I'll just do $100, and maybe this is every month, $100 a month, ongoing. I can set up a trial offer that might be, if I click enable trial here, and then my total price is 0, and then my trial length might be 3 months. So if I set 3 months, so now you can get a free trial, $0 for the first 3 months, and then $100 a month after that. That's how you can set up a free trial on an access plan. So if I were to go view the checkout page real quick for this, copy link, I can see the terms right here. So it's going to be free for 3 months, then it's going to be $100 a month. So that's one way you could do a free trial if you have a recurring access plan. So those are 3 methods you could use for a free trial in LifterLMS. You could go with, if you're doing a recurring payment, you could have a free trial on your access plan, you could have a free mini course, or you could have a lesson set to be free to the public. And the free to the public option is a good way to get some good SEO as well on your lessons. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.